Hi, if you're a Walsall tenant looking for a two-bedroom property to rent on a lovely private estate in the Cavendish Park near the Beachdale area of Bloxwich, we've got a brilliant property behind me now, which has just become available for rent. Just before we go through for a full walkthrough video tour, I'd like to show you the outside and the facilities here. You've got parking for a couple of cars at the front, and round the side is access way to the back where you can get into the garden, bring the bins back and forth through here. On the outside you've got a satellite dish with options with an aerial of course for your TV and satellite options, and you've got a coach light to the front as well. This pathway takes us into the two-bedroom semi, and if you follow me in, I'll take you through to internals of this walkthrough video tour. Okay, so the entrance lobby, you've got doors going off to the kitchen, into the lounge, and stairs up to the first floor. Now, on this property being centrally heated, what we have is a digital thermostat here to set your temperature for your boiler, which is upstairs. When we take you, we'll show you through. In the meantime, we'll show you the fitted kitchen, which has got an integrated oven hob, a space for a washing machine. There's lots of units throughout. Wall units, extractor hood. That area is there for the fridge freezer. And as you can see, there's lots of units that we've got in this kitchen, all kind of installed when the property was refurbed a couple of years ago. So yeah, all in good order. So we'll go through to the lounge now if you'd like to follow me. So the lounge come dining room, really good size. This is probably where I'm standing is where your TV point would be. There's an aerial satellite dish. It looks like the Sky connection is out here. Obviously the aerial there as well. There's double sockets on that side of the wall. The previous tenants that were here, they were here for a couple of years. They had sofas kind of lined up over here. They had a little dining table over here in that corner there. It depends obviously how you want to configure the room. And a lovely, you can see where the sun is shining today. We'll just open the French doors out, and this garden, it's really lovely. I mean, I don't know if you say south facing, but certainly the sun falls on this section, as you can see very nicely. There's a patio area if you wanted to do your barbecues and stuff on a nice day like this. There's a shed to store your garden trimmer and lawnmower. Being kind of the end property, you get this extra space that you wouldn't get if you were like a mid-terrace. So you can see from this section onwards, there's this extra bit of garden that you get with, and being an end semi-detached property. So it's 2 bedrooms upstairs and a bathroom. I'll take you upstairs and show you around. Okay, so the decor, carpets, everything, I'd say it's around 90%. Tenants that lived here, they were here for a couple of years, and we're going to this bedroom first, which is at the back. This has also got a TV aerial point over here, so if you wanted to bring a television into the bedroom, you can do that. There's a loft hatch which is above. Haven't been up there, so I'm not sure if it's boarded or not. But it's a good space. You can see where the furniture mark was, where they had their double bed, and then they had a wardrobe where the camera is standing right now. So it's a good size double bed, which is facing the rear aspect. And then I'll let the camera go into the bathroom. It has what you'd expect, a WC wash and basin, and then you've got a electric shower. and a full-size bath. Really nice. These are all done with aqua panels throughout all walls, and you've got ceramic tiles on the floor. Lovely and fresh, really. So well kept and well maintained. And then coming out onto this door, this is the next double room. This is front facing. Again, a good size, as you can see. And there's, on this side over here, is a little storage room where the boiler is, and you can put some items there as well to store if you wanted to. Okay. So that's the end of the video tour. We'll end it here. Thank you very much for watching. If it is something that you're interested in and want to inquire, it's currently on the market, as you can see, available to let. All the links will be in the description. Go to our website. If you've seen this directly on YouTube, then you'll see that you won't be able to know if it's available or not. So go directly to our website. It will tell you whether it's available for rent or whether a let has been agreed on it. At the moment, as it stands today, the property is available. So if you are interested, give us a call, send us an inquiry, register on the website. There's various ways of inquiring. The property is carpeted, decorated, and has got blinds on all the windows as well, so it's ready to go as it is. All you have to do is bring your furniture and you're ready to go. So all being well, we'll see you on the other side when you make your inquiry. Take care and see you soon. Bye-bye.